when House Bill 172 was first introduced, it would eliminate all of that, and it would require prosecutors to file those charges in juvenile court and then petition the court, the juvenile court judge, to transfer those cases to adult court. Well, I think that invited a needed discussion on juvenile laws and the types of crimes that can be transferred automatically or a mandatory transfers to adult court. I was opposed to that original version because I think it went too far. I think when we're talking about crimes like first-degree murder, when it's committed by certainly by a 16 or a 17-year-old, crimes like aggravated criminal sexual assault, aggravated battery with a firearm, when we're talking about the person that actually shot the gun and struck somebody. Those are adult crimes that had real, permanent physical consequences, physical harm to the victim. Those crimes should be, by law, prosecuted in adult court. They should face adult penalties. I think the current version of it is a good piece of legislation, and I'm supportive of the current version, because the current version allows or provides for the mandatory transfer of first-degree murder, which is an intentional killing, and aggravated criminal sexual assault, and aggravated battery when we're talking about the person that fired that firearm. Rehabilitation, when we're talking about certain crimes, is only part of the equation. And when we're talking about our most serious crimes that affect our communities most directly and over the longest period of time, the other part of that equation is the penalty portion. And rehabilitation is a very important and critical component of the sentence, but the other critical piece to that is the penalty phase. And the adult sentences reflect the seriousness of the conduct, and that's why crimes like murder and aggravated criminal sexual assault, when committed by a 16 or a 17-year-old, should be prosecuted in adult court.